All right. Number 45 on page 733 says we have a juice company that sells 3 kinds of smoothies: Midnight Mango, Tropical Turret, and Pineapple Power. Sound delicious. It says each smoothie contains the amount of juices shown in the table. So Midnight Mango has 8 ounces of mango, 3 ounces pineapple, and 3 ounces of orange juice. On a particular day, the company uses this many ounces of mango, pineapple, and orange juice. How many smoothies of each kind were sold that day? So let's let M be the number of Midnight Mango drinks sold that day. Let's let T equal the number of Tropical Turret drinks sold that day. And let's let P equal the number of Pineapple Power drinks sold that day. So these are the variables I want to solve for. So I need 3 equations to solve for these 3 variables. I'm going to get one from each of these givens. So 820 ounces of mango juice. Well, mango juice is summarized here. So for every 1 Midnight Mango drink, you'd sell 8 ounces. There's 8 ounces of juice in it, so that's going to be 8M plus, and then for every so for every Tropical Torrent drink, you sell 6 ounces of mango juice, so that's 6T plus 2P equals the 820. And then similarly, we're going to have an equation for each of these two. So that one's going to be, I'm getting my mangoes, pineapples, and oranges in my drinks mixed up here, and maybe that's what's happening with some of you guys too. So for pineapple juice, for every 1 drink, you get 3, for every Tropical Turret drink sold, all right, back up. One more time. This time I'll get it right. For every Midnight Mango drink you sell 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So for every M, you sell 3 ounces of pineapple. So that's 3M. Ooh, that was a little bad, but hopefully you guys are understanding what I'm saying here. And that's going to be equal to the 690. And I'm not going to say anything on this one. I'm just going to write the stupid equation down so I don't screw up the words. That would be 3M plus 3T plus 4P equals the 450 ounces of orange juice. So this is a system I need to solve. In theory, I could solve this by hand. Well, no, I can solve this by hand in reality. It's just I don't want to. These numbers are really unwieldy. It would take a lot of time and effort, and I don't really value that. So let's just use our calculator. We're going to solve a system of equations on the calculator. Algebra, solve system. Let's pick a linear system because it is linear. We got 3 equations. However, they're not x, y, z. Gosh, come on. Why it does that? My variables are m. You could convert it to x, y, z if you wanted. It doesn't really matter. We can change it to mtp, so it's the same. All right, I'm going to pause the video while I input enter. So I got to put the 3 equations here. I'm going to pause the video while I do that. All right, so as you can see, I typed in the 3 equations. Hope I got that right. I guess we'll find out. If I hit enter and it's got some nice integer values, I probably did it right. And if it's got some decimal values, maybe I did something wrong. We'll see. Enter. All right, so it's going to put this in the same order I got here. The calculator doesn't do alphabetical order like I said you guys need to do. It's going to put it in the same order that you see right here. So the first one's M, so you sold 50. The answer is 50 Midnight Mango drinks. And then 60 tropical and 30 pineapple. Crap. 60 and 30, 60 and 30. 60 TT drinks and, oh jeez, 30, sorry. Wow, it's too early. 30 pineapple power drinks. Okay.